dalawa yung nakikita natin pwedeng gawin. Una is, of course, to campaign for awareness. And pangalawa, makapagawa tayo na mechanism kung saan na monitor yung electricity consumption. Para kumbaga, nagko-conserve yung mga estudyante, mayroong opportunity na monitor nila. And kung monitor nila, ay nakikita nila yung effect na sa effective yung campaign.
Bilang dormer na din, may influensyahan na rin naman natin yung mga kasama natin sa dorm na hindi ginagamit yung electricity or yung appliances na patayon. Parang sa simpleng action lang, makapagtipid tayo ng electricity. And maganda rin na makita nila yung value, kung ano ba yung natitipid nila kapag pinapatay nila yung electricity.
By setting a good example and by empowering other students.
As a student leader, I can contribute to the conservation of energy in the campus by having some signs in the campus, like turn off the lights when you don't use them. Because these simple signals, they constitute responsibility to the students. Especially in Econ, they are really conscious about their consumption of energy. And also, we can also have programs like ad hoc parties or programs for the students wherein we can raise awareness about the conservation of energy and how important it will be for their everyday lives.
A very simple way of popularizing our campaigns in terms of conserving the energy is basically to remind people about simple things that they can do about the environment, like conserving electricity, turn off the lights when they're not in use, conserving water, using them sparingly, yung mga ganong bagay. Kasi feeling ko, a lot of the reasons why people do not conserve energy is that they're not reminded of it. Hindi nila alam na may mga simple things that they can do for the environment. So, simple things that we usually take for granted, dapat nire-remind yung mga tao. And I think it's an effective way of, well, at the end of the day, putting together simple things to make big difference.
As a leader, syempre, since the advocacy of my organization is for national democracy, yung mga propaganda materials, hindi naman siya kailangan laging computer kasi nagiging masyado tayong dependent ng computer, Photoshop, masyado maraming nakokonsumo din sa battery, sa electricity. So, for our part, minsan ginagawa namin, nagre-recycle kami ng paper. At the same time, imbes na nagagamit pa kami ng computer, magpiprint, etc., mas manpower. Binabawasan niya yung konsumo natin sa electricity and at the same time, nai-enhance niya yung manual na thinking process at saka yung pag-convert nito into a piece of work.
In the case of sororities and organizations, pag may events, we try to keep the use of electricity at a minimum. So yun, yung mga pag hindi naman kailangan, like projectors or something.
As a political science student, to answer your question, I believe in the power of ideas. So information dissemination is a potent force to influence other people to join in what you believe in. And of course, the success of an endeavor would come with action. So we're practicing what you preach. So here we find the importance of doing little ways to conserve energy, not just by yourself, but also within the immediate groups of people around you.
Sa council student, kapag nag-charge kasi ng laptop, usually kapag nag-full na siya, yung iba hindi na tinatanggal sa pagkasaksak. So, one way of conserving energy is, yun, kapag full na yung battery ng laptop, yan, tatanggalin na as usual. So, para hindi na na-waste yung energy na naka-charge pa siya, pero full naman.
Magandang umaga sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Alex Lacson. Ako po yung author ng libro na naging bestseller, 12 Little Things Every Filipino Can Do to Help Our Country. At isa po sa mga little things na ito na pwede natin gawin para makatulong tayo sa bansa natin, para sa environment natin, ay yung number 6 doon sa libro, which is segregate, conserve, recycle, and reuse para po sa environment natin. So, para sa electricity, kung gusto natin tumulong na mag-conserve tayo ng electricity at makatulong tayo sa environment natin, napakasimple lang po is pagpatay ng ilaw na hindi natin ginagamit. Paggamit ng ilaw sa tamang panahon at paggamit ng mga ilaw na nararapot lang sa panahon. So, kung hindi ginagamit, patayin po yung ilaw. So, yun po ay isang malaking bagay na para makatulong tayo at makonserve sa electricity para sa ating bansa at para sa ating environment.